Here's the truth. The digital marketing industry is changing faster than most people can comprehend. AI and automation are making a lot of digital marketing job roles redundant, which only means one thing. It is going to be survival of the fittest. In other words, mediocrity has no future. So what can you do as a digital marketer or a marketer to stay relevant, be important, and most of all, get paid a lot next year and for years to come? Good thing you're here, because if you watch this video till the end, you will know where to start, what to start doing right this moment onwards. Are you ready? Let's go. My name is Puneet Tandon. This is Young Urban Project. We run online cohort-based courses for future skills like digital marketing, no-code development, and more. Check out the link in the description or bio to join our upcoming digital marketing cohort. Before we begin, I'll ask you to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't already, and also follow Young Urban Project on Instagram for daily tips. I said earlier that digital marketing industry is changing, and you need to do more if you want to future-proof your career. What I mean by that is, you need to ask yourself a question. That question is, if you are in a particular space, it could be social media marketing or Instagram marketing or copywriting, anything at all, would you rate your skills at average or at an expert level? It is important you answer this question with complete honesty. Tell me your answer in the comments. What percentile are you in? If you are above 95 percentile, which means you consider yourself in the top 5% skilled people in your niche, it's good news. If you're below that, especially in a crowded space like Instagram coaching, then you need to reevaluate. You have two options. The first is to find a new niche where you can be in the top 5% of the people. The second option is you upgrade yourself in the same niche. You need to learn a lot more so you can get better than the competition. That is the only way to sustain and grow your career over the next couple of years and for the future. I also said that mediocrity has no future. What I mean by that is, technology is evolving so fast that a lot of things that were earlier done by people can now be done better using technology. And technology can produce better results than most mediocre skilled people. It's scary, but it's true. Let's see some examples. If you're a copywriter, there are an insane number of GPT-3 based AI copywriting tools that can write really good copy. This copy is better than what average copywriters would write. And these tools are way cheaper and faster. But these tools still can't compete with the top 5% excellent copywriters yet. Graphic designers that were average are already being replaced by tools like Canva. You can make professional looking creatives in minutes for almost free. But that doesn't mean that amazing designers are gone. They are still here, alive and kicking. In fact, they are making even more money than before by selling NFTs of their artwork. However, mediocre designers are doomed. Let's take another example. Average coders are being replaced by no-code tools like Bubble, AppGyver, Adalo, Elementor, and a lot more. A lot of these fundamental things can be done using these tools in an easy way, so you don't have to hire a developer for that. But you know what type of developers are going to do even better? The excellent ones. The most complex custom apps are still being created by these developers. It's only the mediocre ones that are in the red zone. Even advertisers. Earlier, most online ad platforms required humans to sit and optimize the campaigns. But most platforms are now taking that control away from humans and using AI for optimization. However, advertising strategists and creative marketers are still making it big. It's just the ones who had limited knowledge, those are the ones that stand to be replaced. So, can you see this trend? People who are in the top 5% in their fields in terms of skills are succeeding and making more money than ever. But those who are easily replaceable are, well, being replaced. If they are not being replaced today, they will soon be. Ask yourself, can the work that I do be also done by anyone else almost as effectively? If the honest answer is yes, and I mean the honest answer, it means you're anyone. And if you're anyone, you're replaceable. Then it's time to start learning and practicing your skill more than ever. If you're a digital marketer, start learning skills that are always going to be valuable to any company. Skills like executing ROI-based campaigns, building monetizable communities, and persuasive copywriting. Invest in those skills and see yourself get into the top 5%. You need to become an expert, a brand, someone that is not easily replaceable. And if digital marketing is the skill you're after, check out our advanced digital marketing course that will prepare you for the future. I'll add the link in the description or the bio. My name is Puneet Tandon, this is Young Urban Project, and I really hope this video will set you on a path of excellence. Tell me what you think in the comments. I will see you next week in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified. I'll see you.